Well, I haven't quite figured that part out yet.
I see.
I'm sorry about the whole thing, Robin.
Tonight, I'll crash their party and serve warning that there are those who will fight to rid England of their tyranny.
Aye, good! We'll join you! Yeah!
No. I can't risk the lives of others. One man can get in more easily than half a dozen. Well, I must be off. Fare thee well. I'll see thee upon my return.
All right, man. Peace, bro. Take it easy.